Welcome back, you guys. I hope you're ready to make some cute flower crowns. As you can see, the first thing I'm doing is cutting the flowers off of the stems. Next thing I did was find the middle of my headband, put some glue on it, and stick a flower on. You want to hold it in place a little bit so that the glue can kind of solidify. Then the next thing you want to do is put some extra glue on it just to give it an extra good hold. From there on, you just want to add your flowers one by one. I blew on them a little bit to get the glue to solidify faster. If you want to, you can cut off some of the leaves to add to it too. Just be careful sticking them on because the glue is really hot. There we go. First one's all done. Now I'm just repeating the same process. here's the second one, all finished. Here I am modeling the red one. And here's the white. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.